Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox game unavailable issues. First, let's ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can prevent games from loading. Next, check the official Roblox server status page to see if there are any widespread outages affecting millions of players. Finally, confirm your device meets the minimum system requirements, such as having at least 1 GB of RAM and a compatible operating system to run Roblox smoothly. If the initial checks don't resolve the problem, let's move to common troubleshooting. Begin by completely restarting the Roblox application, then reboot your computer or mobile device. This simple step can often clear minor glitches. Next, clear your Roblox cache and temporary files, which can accumulate over time and cause performance issues. Finally, ensure your Roblox client is updated to the latest version, as outdated software can lead to incompatibility problems. For persistent issues, we'll explore some advanced solutions. First, check your firewall and antivirus settings to ensure they aren't blocking Roblox. You might need to add an exception. Next, try flushing your DNS cache and renewing your IP address, which can resolve connectivity problems by refreshing your network settings. As a last resort for network-related issues, consider using a virtual private network, or VPN, to bypass potential regional restrictions or routing problems. If all previous steps fail, a complete reinstallation might be necessary. Thoroughly uninstall the Roblox application from your device, then download and reinstall it from the official website. This ensures you have a fresh, uncorrupted installation. If the problem still persists, your next step is to contact Roblox support. Provide them with as much detail as possible, including any error codes or screenshots, to help them diagnose and resolve your specific issue efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.